That is a view of the right scapula, anterior view. Now, let us start this discussion with a simple question. Which geometrical figure does the scapula represents? Okay, my choices are a triangle, a square, a rectangle, or a circle. Okay, you said is right. It's a triangle, correct. So your answer is right. It represents a triangle. Very good. Now, next question is, let's see the orientation of this scapula. Again, which alphabet or is scapula oriented like? Again, choices are A, B, C or alphabet V. Yes, you are right. It's oriented like alphabet V. Okay, so these are two simple questions to make you understand the geometrical shape and the orientation of scapula. So the orientation is vertical. That means it has a inferior angle here and it has a superior border here. Now, let us look at the angles now. Now, this is the lateral angle. Why I say this is a lateral angle is because you have the glenoid cavity here which articulates with the head of the humerus to form the shoulder joint. So to make the statement very simple, as a shoulder joint is located laterally, glenoid cavity is located laterally. So the lateral angle is glenoid cavity. If you track it down, you can see the lateral border also. So that's a lateral border. So other one is the medial border. So this is a very simple way to identify the surfaces and borders of the scapula. So let's see the surface. So this is the anterior surface. Obviously, this is the anterior surface. It's located a little below the scapula. We call it as the subscapular fossa. Now let's track the superior surface. So here is I said that this is a lateral angle forming the glenoid cavity. So this is obviously the medial angle, or it can be called as a superior angle. So if you track your finger from the superior angle along the superior border, there is a small notch known as the suprascapular notch, followed by a beak-like process called as the coracoid process. So that is important, coracoid process. So this finishes the anterior view of the scapula. While the posterior view of the scapula, there is one more triangle known as the spine of the scapula, which is here located horizontally with its apex in the medial border, the spine and the lateral part, you have the base. It's not shown here. And the posterior border forms the spine and it arches and is called as the acromion process. Thank you.